This evergreen plant made of pine, spruce, or fir has its history in ancient cultures. Long before the advent of Christianity, people in various cultures used evergreen plants to celebrate winter festivals. Evergreens were seen as symbols of life and resilience because they stayed green throughout the winter. Slowly but surely, Christians in medieval Europe would decorate paradise trees during Christmas plays to symbolize the tree of knowledge in the Garden of Eden. These trees were often adorned with apples representing the fall of man, and eventually the concept began to merge with Christmas celebrations. In 16th century Germany, the earliest known decorated Christmas tree was in the town called Riga. The modern Christmas tree tradition is most commonly attributed to this. Later, the royals started to popularize it before the custom was passed down to regular folks. Initially, trees were decorated with candles, apples, nuts, and sweets. By the 19th century, glass ornaments and tinsel started becoming popular. Electric lights were introduced in the early 20th century, with the first Christmas tree lit with electric lights appearing in 1882, thanks to Thomas Edison's associate, Edward H. Johnson. While still seen as a religious symbol, the Christmas tree, much like anything that has to do with the season, has become heavily commercialized, with excessive decorations and artificial trees in and around homes, offices, and pretty much any establishment once Christmas time comes around. Today, the Christmas tree is a beloved holiday symbol worldwide, representing festivity, family, and tradition. It has evolved from an ancient custom to a widespread practice adapted by various cultures around the world, often blending local customs and modern technology.